regeneration for a newly buffed Ghost Rider. That's a criminal move if Kabam is actually doing that. So thanks to CBC News coverage on Kabam, we finally got the first look on Ghost Rider and the new champion Wave. These champions are probably coming next month. And let's be honest, almost 95% of people were just excited for one thing, and that's Ghost Rider. And yeah, that first look was actually awesome. The animations look clean and the visual effects are way better. And I really like how Kabam is turning his effects into passives, because we all know passive effects are one of the best things a champion can have. And of course, the new SP3. Yeah, that looks fire. Everything was looking really good until people started noticing one thing, that is no regen. Now yeah, I know it's just a short gameplay clip, we don't even know if everything is final or not, but still people started worrying about his regen. I mean, they started speculating that Kabam might remove his regeneration. And if you know anything about the old Ghost Rider, his regen was a big part of his utility. You could literally heal a good amount of health and stay topped up for an entire quest. That's what made him so reliable. So if that's gone, that's a big change. Now I'm not saying that it's 100% confirmed or anything like that. We still have to wait for the full details. But yeah, this is something to keep an eye on. Besides that, I'm actually loving what I'm seeing so far. The animations, the passive effects, everything looks like a solid upgrade. But this regen thing, yeah, we need answers on that. And these champions are probably coming next month, so we won't have to wait too long. But until that, let me know what you think. Do you really think Kabam is going to remove Ghost Rider's regen? And if they do, is that a deal breaker for you? Because honestly, if they remove it but give him insane damage, I think most people will accept it. But if the damage is mid and you're removing one of his biggest utility, then that's gonna be a problem. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.